Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. The previous class we have seen multiple choice question for Unit 3 and Unit 4. I hope all have completed and studied. In this class, we are going to learn Lesson 6 in your grammar book. All of you take your grammar book and take Lesson 6. The topic of the lesson is correlative conjunctions. Okay. So, now take it fast. Let's go. Dear students, page number 26. Today we are going to learn correlative conjunctions. Before we are going to see the lesson, first just recap what is conjunctions. In lower class itself you are studied about conjunctions. Can you say what is conjunction? Yes, it is a joining word. So what definition here they are given? A connector or a conjunction is a word which joins two words, phrases, classes or sentences. Just it is a link or a joining word. Okay. One more thing we should remember, a conjunction is never connected with an object. It never qualifies a word. It simply joins two words or sentences. Okay. And it has three types. What are they? Correlative, coordinating and subordinating. Here we will deal with the correlative conjunction with the use of conjunction which are used with the pairs is called the correlative conjunctions. So what are the pairs? It means like so that, okay, and so as, like both and. These are the pairs known as conjunctions. So see the example. He walked so fast that he fell down. Here so and that are connectors. That is known as a correlative. The pairs only used to qualify the sentence. Bablu could neither read nor write. Ram is both kind and honest. Either Ria or Priya has done it. Sam is not only a proud but also mean. Some correlative conjunctions are. Remember these words. So that, so as so, as, both and, not only but also, neither nor, either or, no sooner than, hardly when, sadly when, though yet. These all are known as a correlative conjunction. So in the sense it is come with only pair. Okay. Can you understood what is conjunction? What are the three types? Again I repeat, correlative, coordinating and subordinating. First we can see correlative. Now turn page number 27. Use of some correlative conjunctions. Listen carefully. First we can see about no sooner, hardly, scarcely. No sooner is always followed by than. Scarcely or hardly is always followed by before or when. This is like a keyword you should remember. See the example. No sooner did we reach the station than the rain started. Here the no sooner and than. Only it come with no sooner. That pair you should remember. She had hardly heard the news when she began to weep. Okay. Second we are going to see such or that. Such and that is used for the expansion of some noun in the sentence. It is going to explain. In the sentence, a noun is used immediately after such and after that the noun is expanded. He spoke such a language that Ram felt annoyed. Here such it comes, it is next to the word, immediately it comes that. That is known as it is going to expand. Okay. I read such books that I had never read before. This is also it is going to expand. So when that sentence it is going to expand the correlative, the first sentence it is the correlative conjunctions only used. And third type, so that. So that is used to describe the result of some action verb if an adjective is used after so. So adjective, description of noun. So that is one. So all the grammar parts just it is connect with one another. Here they given it describe the result. See the example. Sita worked so hard that she topped the exam. So why she topped? Because she worked hard. So it tells a reason as a result. They were so happy that they began to dance. Why they are happy to going to dance? Okay. And fourth one, either or. Either or to use to while making the choice between the two subjects or objects. Like do you like, we are asking the question, you say yes or no. This is like the choice. Here it is a question used for choice between the two subjects or object. He is either a rough or a fool. Okay, can you understand the difference? Either he or his mother is a mistaken. So it gives the choice in the sentence. And next type is a neither nor. Neither and nor used to while making the choice between two subjects or objects in the negative. How the either are used for positive choice. The same thing neither are used for the negative choice. He was neither glad nor sad. He is neither a rough nor a fool. Can you understand the difference between the neither nor and the either or? In this page, we are seeing about no sooner, hardly, scarcely, such that, so that, either or, neither nor. The no sooner it is always followed by than, and it's hardly or scarcely always followed by before. That you should remember. Such and that used to expansion. So and that used for describe the result. Either or for the positive result to give the choice. Neither nor for the negative choice. Now turn the next page. Page number 28. Next we are going to learn about though it. Though it is used to join two classes which express ideas that suggest the opposite of each other. So if it is give the opposite of each other in the sentence, we can use though or it. It join the two classes which express the idea. See, though he is wealthy, yet he is close-fisted. Though he is poor, yet he is contented. Okay, can you say? It expresses the idea of the opposite sense. Both and an. Both and is used to connect either two subjects or two objects. He is both a poet and the philosopher. Both Ria and Jia enjoy the movie. It tells to connect the two subject or object. Such or as. Such or as is used to confirm a deny the description of the person or thing being talked about. There is no such country as you mention. She is not such a woman as you admire. It used to confirm the descriptions. Okay. Next, so as. It is used to compare the nouns using an adjective or adverb. So what is adjective? The previous page itself we can recap. Adjective, description of noun. Adverb, what is that? It qualifies the verb or it tells more about verb. She looks as pretty as a picture. Bob does not drive so fast as John. As and as used for the positive, so as used for the negative. This is like either or neither nor. How it is used for either is a positive, neither is a negative. The same thing. As and as for the positive, so and as for the negative. She is as beautiful as her sister. She is not so beautiful as her sister. Next, as so. As and so is used to describe the reaction of an action. As you sow, so that all you reap. As a child, so is the man. It describes the reaction. So in the previous page, we can say the description or result. Here it tells the reaction of the action. At last, we are going to learn not only but also. Not only but also is used to connect nouns or entire classes. He is not only a priest but also a doctor. He is not only honest but sincere also. Not only does speak well but he writes also. So these all to connect the entire classes. Okay. So that's all my dear student. Just we can recall in this lesson we are learn about conjunction. It especially correlative conjunction. Conjunction is a joining word. It has three types. The first type only we dealt in that lesson. Correlative, coordinating and subordinating. Here we learn which type? Correlative. So what are the correlative conjunction we learned? No sooner, hardly, scarcely, such that, so that, either or, neither nor, though it, both and, such as, so as, so, not only but also. I hope all have understood the topic and you should complete page number 29 and 30 in the book back exercise. I'll give the answer. First you try to write your own self. After that check whether you write the correct answer or not and complete it. One more time you revise the lesson, can understand. Okay. Thank you. We can see in the next class.